Some pieces of jewelry are just accessories, beautiful but replaceable. Then there are the rare ones that transcend fashion and become something more. Cartier's Love Bracelet is one of those iconic pieces. It's more than just a bracelet, it's a symbol of love, commitment, and most importantly, status. Worn by celebrities, royals, and the ultra-wealthy, the Love Bracelet has become a must-have for those who want to flaunt their exclusivity. But what exactly makes it so special? Is it the price, the history, the unique design, or is it the fact that once you put it on, you technically can't take it off without a screwdriver? Stay with me as we unlock the mystery behind Cartier's Love Bracelet, exploring its history, design, exclusivity, and why it remains the ultimate symbol of luxury. The story behind the Love Bracelet, a locked-in romance. The Cartier Love Bracelet wasn't created to be just another high-end accessory. It was designed with deep meaning, a symbol of everlasting love, a piece of jewelry that could only be removed with the help of another person. In 1969, Italian jewelry designer Aldo Cipullo introduced the Love Bracelet under Cartier's name. Cipullo was inspired by historical chastity belts, which were used in medieval times to ensure fidelity. But instead of creating a symbol of control, he designed something that symbolized commitment and devotion. Unlike traditional bangles or bracelets that slide onto the wrist, the Love Bracelet locks into place with a tiny screwdriver. The idea was that once it was on, it was meant to stay on, just like real love. You can't remove it yourself, your partner has to help you. That small but significant detail turned the bracelet into something more than jewelry. It became a romantic ritual, a gesture of trust between two people. When the Love Bracelet launched, it was an instant hit. Cartier even gifted pairs of bracelets to some of the most famous celebrity couples of the time, including Elizabeth Taylor and Richard Burton, and the Duke and Duchess of Windsor. The message was clear: if you were in love, you needed a love bracelet. But love wasn't the only thing the bracelet symbolized. Over time, it became a status symbol. Owning a Cartier Love Bracelet didn't just mean you were in love. It meant you were wealthy, stylish, and part of an elite club. The design, minimalist yet unmistakable. What sets the Cartier Love Bracelet apart from every other luxury bracelet? The design and craftsmanship. From the moment you hold a Love Bracelet, you can feel the quality. Made from 18 yellow, rose, or white gold, and sometimes encrusted with diamonds, every piece is crafted with Cartier's meticulous attention to detail. Unlike flimsy, mass-produced jewelry, the Love Bracelet has a solid, weighty feel, a reminder that true love and true luxury isn't light or temporary. The bracelet is oval-shaped, designed to fit close to the wrist for a sleek, elegant appearance. The defining feature? The screw motifs that run along the bangle, inspired by industrial screws, but executed with Cartier's signature refinement. These aren't just decorative, they serve a functional purpose in the bracelet's unique locking mechanism. Unlike traditional bangles that slide on, the Love Bracelet is designed to be secured with a tiny screwdriver that comes with the bracelet. This innovative feature symbolizes commitment. Once locked, it's meant to stay on, just like a lasting relationship. In fact, many couples exchange the screwdriver with each other, reinforcing the idea that they alone hold the key to their partner's heart. But Cartier's craftsmanship doesn't stop at design. Each bracelet goes through an exacting process of hand polishing, testing, and quality control to ensure that it meets the brand's legendary standards. Whether set with diamonds or left in its pure gold form, every Love Bracelet is a masterpiece of precision and artistry. This level of attention to detail is why the Love Bracelet isn't just a piece of jewelry, it's a work of art. The price: luxury comes at a cost. Owning a Cartier Love Bracelet is no small investment. The price varies depending on the material. Even the simplest yellow gold version starts at around $7,000. Want diamonds on yours? Get ready to shell out anywhere between $10,000 and $60,000. But here's the thing, the price keeps going up. Over the years, Cartier has gradually increased the cost of the Love Bracelet. In the early 2000s, you could get one for under $3,000. Today, you'd be lucky to find one under $7,000. That's a crazy return on investment for a piece of jewelry. So why does it keep getting more expensive? There are a few reasons. 1. Exclusivity. Cartier doesn't mass-produce the Love Bracelet. Each piece is meticulously crafted, ensuring that it retains its luxury status. 2. Demand. The more people want it, the higher the price goes. Simple economics. 3. Cartier's branding. Cartier isn't just selling a bracelet, they're selling a legacy, an experience, and a feeling of being part of the elite. Even in the second-hand market, Cartier Love Bracelets hold their value incredibly well. Some vintage pieces even sell for more than their original price. This isn't just jewelry, it's an investment in luxury. Who wears the Cartier Love Bracelet? Part of what makes the Love Bracelet so desirable is its star-studded fan base. Over the decades, countless celebrities, royals, and influencers have been spotted wearing it. Some of the most famous Love Bracelet owners include Kylie Jenner, often seen stacking multiple Love Bracelets on her wrist. Meghan Markle wore a Love Bracelet even before she became a duchess. Angelina Jolie owns a classic gold version. Jay-Z and Beyoncé both have been seen sporting matching love bracelets. When you see some of the most powerful and influential people in the world wearing the same piece of jewelry, it sends a clear message. This isn't just any bracelet, it's a statement of success. The cultural impact, more than just jewelry. What makes the Cartier Love Bracelet stand out from other luxury jewelry is its cultural significance. It represents more than wealth. It symbolizes eternal love, commitment, and prestige. The phrase "locked in love" became associated with the bracelet, reinforcing the idea that owning one meant your love was unbreakable. It's often given as a gift for anniversaries, weddings, and milestones. Some couples even exchange it instead of traditional wedding bands. And let's not forget its social media appeal. The Love Bracelet has become one of the most photographed and posted pieces of jewelry on Instagram and TikTok. The hashtag Cartier Love Bracelet has millions of views, and influencers love showing off their Cartier stacks. But with popularity comes imitation. The Love Bracelet is one of the most copied jewelry pieces in the world. Countless knockoffs exist, but they never capture the magic of the real Cartier experience. The Love Bracelet as an investment, a timeless asset. When people think of investments, they usually think of stocks, real estate, or gold. But what if I told you that the Cartier Love Bracelet has become a legitimate investment piece in the luxury market? Unlike many other high-end accessories that depreciate over time, the Love Bracelet has consistently increased in value, making it one of the few jewelry pieces that can offer a solid return. Take a look at the numbers. In the 1970s, the Love Bracelet sold for just a few $100s. By the 2000s, the price had climbed to around $3,000, $4,000. Today, a basic model in yellow gold starts at over $7,000, and that's before taxes and customization. The demand for vintage Cartier Love bracelets is also booming. Some collectors are willing to pay premium prices for older models, particularly those from the early years of production. Limited edition versions and those owned by celebrities can sell for twice or even 3 times their original price at auctions. So why does the Love Bracelet hold its value so well? Timeless appeal. The design hasn't changed much in over 50 years, meaning it never looks outdated. Brand prestige. Cartier is one of the most respected luxury brands in the world. Scarcity and exclusivity. Cartier doesn't flood the market with these bracelets, keeping demand high. Cultural significance. The Love Bracelet isn't just jewelry, it's a symbol, a tradition, and a piece of history. While most jewelry loses value the moment it leaves the store, the Love Bracelet defies that trend. In fact, owning one could mean wearing an accessory that not only elevates your style but also appreciates in value over time. So if you're thinking about splurging on a luxury item, the Cartier Love Bracelet isn't just an expense, it's an asset. Is it worth it? So after all this, is the Cartier Love Bracelet really worth the hype? If you're looking for a luxurious, timeless piece of jewelry with deep meaning and cultural prestige, then yes, it's absolutely worth it. It's not just an accessory, it's a status symbol, a romantic gesture, and an investment all rolled into one. While trends come and go, the Cartier Love Bracelet remains one of the most iconic and sought-after jewelry pieces of all time. Would you invest in a Love Bracelet, or do you think it's just another overpriced luxury item? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of high-end jewelry, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more luxury content.